Right, so the next question, question 14, is based on databases. Again, what you need to do is just simply write down what you know, because you have extensive experience using databases. Okay, so just read the questions, look at what's there, okay, and use the knowledge that you have, the experience that you have, and put it down on paper. Let's do the first one anyway. I think actually I put 14A and 14B in this one video. So, a head teacher wishes to store details of her students in a computer database. She has been given an example of one student record by the school secretary. Strauss, Johann, SR 13516, 83, 1st of the 9th, 2011. So, simply, surname, forename or first name, student ID number, could be a test score, date of birth. This corresponds, family name, as we said, first name, student ID, there we go, maths test score, right here. Oh, not date of birth, when he joined the school, of course. Okay, so when he joined the school. The file is currently stored in a form of plain text, with each record separated by a line break. Give an file extension to which is appropriate for this file. Now, you have imported databases, okay? So the databases that you imported initially were not saved as databases, okay? They were saved as plain text files separated by commas. Now, you cannot write down things like comma separated value file, plain text file. It says give a file extension. So when we actually import these databases, what file extension are they? Don't think when I go to create, external data text file. No. What is the file that you're given before you do that? Okay. So if you remember, I may have, I'm just going to put this on pause here because I may actually have. Okay, so here I've got 2016 paper 2. Now paper 2 is obviously where the database questions are. Okay, so look here. Okay, what can we see? We can see mail merge docx, no good for us. Yachts, CSV. JPEG, that's an image. RTF, that's a Word document. Sales, CSV. Okay, so basically anything that's to do with databases, okay, is a CSV file or spreadsheets, okay? So if I was to open up the exam paper and go straight to the database question, I scroll down. Okay, here we are. I think this is it, isn't it? Yes. Open the file 226 orders.csv. Insert a row at the end of the table. Okay, so basically this could be what we look. Oh no, sorry, that's still the database. The word question. Okay, so let's go to here's the database one. Here we go, database. Using a suitable database package, import the file j226yachts.csv. So you import a .csv file. Okay, so don't go complicating that in any way. It's one mark, but it's one mark we don't want to lose. Now, next question. For each field, identify the most appropriate data type in the maths test score is used in calculations. Now, that's already given you an indication, okay? Maths test score is going to be used in calculations. So I would absolutely, the first thing I would do is write that down as numeric. So if you remember, our data types are numeric, text, alphanumeric, you could write down as well if there's going to be a mixture of letters and numbers. Currency, date, okay, date and time. So, absolutely fill this in as you would see it in Access. So imagine your Access file. So imagine, I'm going to go back to this, okay? Your exam paper that you see recently. So I'm going to scroll down to the database part again. Oh, presentation, I've gone past there. Okay, look at this, these steps, look, okay? So, oh, sorry, I added it into the record. Not reading things properly myself. No, I've gone past it again. I think I've scrolled up and down far too quickly. Here we are, sorry, there we go. Imagine this, your database. So imagine you see this on the exam paper, okay? So text, number, currency, text, number, currency, Boolean, we've forgotten. Anything that's got a yes or no answer is Boolean, okay? Right, hope that helps.